The rivalry between WhatsApp and Telegram messengers is only gaining momentum each month. In 2022, it's high time to decide and figure out where communication is more convenient and engaging. Still don't know which one is better? No problem. In this video, I'll give you 7 reasons why you should forget about WhatsApp forever and switch to Telegram. Today, it's more important than ever to keep up with all the news and events happening in the world, and for some reason, many famous names choose Telegram for this purpose. Your favorite bloggers, singers, opinion leaders, influencers, and brands choose Telegram more and more often. In the messenger, you can enjoy content in a variety of ways, from video messages to plain text. Sometimes you get the impression that the person is writing to you personally, which makes this experience even more unique. Plus, there's less censorship and more information. And based on the first reason, we're moving on to the second one. All the public figures have not only switched to Telegram, but also created their channels there. Besides celebrities, Pavel Durov's Messenger is full of the most useful channels on literally any topic. First of all is Telegram, where people can get the latest news, read about psychology or cooking, learn about the latest movies or listen to music, and so on. The list is endless. At the same time, WhatsApp has no channels or anything like that at all. Just like you can't transfer files in WhatsApp, compare. In Telegram, the user can send any file up to 2 GB. WhatsApp, however, sends files with a maximum size of 100 MB. Think about it, the figure is 20 times smaller. Moreover, Telegram is great for storage. Feel free to delete any files uploaded to the messenger from your phone and upload them again as needed. All your data is securely stored in the Durov's Messenger cloud. The next reason why Telegram is many times better than WhatsApp is folders. In Pavel Durov's app, you can categorize your chats. The user can create special folders for different needs. You can create a folder for personal chats, you can create one for work, and also one for all the channels, so that it's more convenient to get new information. But since there are no channels in WhatsApp, as well as the possibility to conveniently sort your chats, this is clearly the most important reason to forget about that messenger. Next, I'm gonna give you 3 more reasons why you might want to give up WhatsApp forever. You will definitely not want to use this messenger afterwards. And right now, please support my efforts. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. This will help our channel grow and develop. Thank you, and we're moving on. So what else could outshine the WhatsApp messaging app? Well, here's the answer. Reactions. As you may understand, Telegram has reactions to messages, while in WhatsApp they are planning to introduce such a feature, but in fact, we don't know if they will. Reactions are an excellent means of expressing your emotions, for example, when you're reading your favorite channel. In this way, you can show your attitude to the information. It helps authors to develop and improve their content, so that you are more interested in reading their resource. But reactions are also useful in personal communication. Instead of replying to a text, you can often just react to it in response. And that'll be enough. Convenient and easy. WhatsApp can only be jealous of this. Telegram bots, which are also absent in WhatsApp, can also be considered an equally enviable feature. For those of you who don't know, bots are special assistants in different areas, which you can launch in Telegram. For example, there are bots that help you decide what to cook for dinner based on the available products in your fridge. They will send a horoscope for your zodiac sign at a certain time. They will help you watch movies and listen to music without leaving Telegram, and much more. I often talk about these bots on my channel. Be sure to check those videos out. Of course, there are no bots in WhatsApp, and it's likely there will never be. Now, Telegram users may be surprised, but another reason why WhatsApp is a questionable app in terms of its quality is the ability to connect multiple devices. For example, WhatsApp only allows you to connect 2 devices to your account. Note that this can be 1 smartphone and 1 connected computer. That is, if WhatsApp is not open on your phone, you won't be able to sign into your account on your computer, let alone another gadget. In the meantime, Telegram has no restrictions at all. You can open your account on different devices. messages, as many as you like. The main thing to remember is to log out afterwards. In addition to the app on your phone and PC, there is also a web version of Telegram, which is functionally as good as the Messenger app. You can access it directly from your browser. Just type web.telegram.org. I mean, one thing is definitely clear. Telegram is way better than WhatsApp in many aspects. Yes, we have to mention that the latter is adding new features, but the process is so slow, and they're clearly not keeping up with the Durov's app. And what do you think is the main reason why Telegram is better than WhatsApp? Drop your comments below. And be sure to share this video with those who are still not sure which messenger to choose. And that's all I have. It's the Teleblog channel. Subscribe and use the best.